Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now select one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher next to it to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to switch it to gestures to use this mode. If you wish to do it now, tap on Settings in the pop-up. Then you need to tap on Gestures. Select Learn or Cancel in the pop-up and click on the top left corner. Now select this gray switcher again and follow all of the presented instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. If you wish to go back, click on this area at the top, wait a couple of seconds or simply swipe up. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. To go back to Tricky's navigation, click on the top left corner. Select System Navigation at the bottom of Additional Settings and click on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!